In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ServiceTitan with QuickBooks, sync invoices, and financial data. If you run operations in ServiceTitan and handle accounting in QuickBooks, connecting them through Make is a reliable way to keep invoices and financial data in sync without manual entry. Before we begin, make sure you can sign in to Make and that you have access to both your ServiceTitan and QuickBooks accounts. It also helps to know which QuickBooks product you're using, since the available modules in Make are labeled accordingly. First, go to your Make account. From the dashboard, you'll see the workspace where all your automations live. Think of Make as the bridge between ServiceTitan and QuickBooks. It listens for activity in one app and carries the data over to the other, following the logic you define. Next, click on Connections. This area shows the apps your organization can use inside Make. You'll see whether ServiceTitan and QuickBooks are already connected and ready. Connections are important because they let Make talk to each app securely using your permissions. If you're working in a team, confirm you're using the correct connection for your environment, like production versus testing, so your data ends up in the right place. Now, click to open the Scenario Builder. This is the visual canvas where you design your workflow. Scenarios in Make are built from modules linked together. A trigger starts the flow, and actions complete tasks in the target app. The canvas lets you preview the data as it moves through each step, which is invaluable for troubleshooting and ensuring accuracy. On the canvas, use the plus icon to add your first module. This is where you tell Make what to watch for or what to do. The plus icon is your starting point and your expansion point. Use it each time you want to add logic, filters, or another app to the flow. Search for ServiceTitan and QuickBooks and choose the integration pieces you need. For a typical invoice sync, you might select a ServiceTitan module that detects newly created or updated invoices and pair it with a QuickBooks module that creates or updates the corresponding records. Make also offers pre-built templates. If one matches your use case, it can save setup time. As you choose modules, keep an eye on field mapping. Customer names, line items, taxes, dates, and currencies should align with how your QuickBooks file is structured. Decide which direction the sync should flow and whether you want to include only finalized invoices. Make can also validate data formats, which helps prevent posting errors later. And that's the flow. By following these steps in Make, you'll have a clear, maintainable path for syncing ServiceTitan invoices and financial data into QuickBooks.